So a lot of you are asking, what exactly is Zimbabwe in a Style? It's a reality TV show like Vana Big Brother and Survivor, but we are doing it Zimbo style. We are going to be partying tichita ma concerts, nema celebrity plasma games, joy ne goch all over Zimbabwe. Teti chienda kunana vumba, matopos, Vic Falls and so on. Every weekend from Friday to Sunday, tinoenda to one of these places near the contestants. And munu wese wem Zimbabwe anenge arimo mubazi iroro. Masalad, ninja, masha, vekumisha, everyone. Toda kuona kuti shasha ndiani. Tetichita ma competitions, nema games, kunge ma tasks emu Big Brother hayai. And everything will be screened on ZBC. Some people will be voted off the bus and some new people will be voted on the bus. And after 13 fun-filled weekends, the last person anenga asara mubaz gets to go home with 200,000 rand. Saka ikona kusaririra. Send $1 to EcoCash merchant code 31662 to stand a chance to be on the bus.